Constantly high blood sugar levels can damage blood vessels in the nervous system, leading to visual, heart and kidney disorders. Watch this video till the end and learn about the foods that have a low glycemic index, which reduces blood sugar levels. 1. Oatmeal and oat bran. They should be briefly boiled or poured with hot milk. Oats contain beta-glucans, which help maintain glycemic control. 2. Wholemeal bread or pumpernickel bread. They reduce the level of so-called bad cholesterol and cardiovascular risk. 3. Nuts. They contain unsaturated omega-6 fatty acids. 4. Yogurt. Daily consumption of natural yogurt alone, preferably in the morning, can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes mellitus. Greek-type yogurt will work best, and light yogurts, which can contain a lot of carbohydrates, should be avoided. 5. Garlic. The compounds contained in garlic can help reduce sugar levels in the blood by improving sensitivity to insulin and its secretion. 6. Legumes, for example chickpeas, peas, beans and lentils. They have a very low glycemic index. Also, remember that any change of diet should be discussed with a specialist. In the case of having diabetes, it's important to work closely with a diabetologist. Thanks for watching, and remember, the more subscribers we get again, the better and more content we can continue making. Subscribe and enjoy new videos. Be sure to write in the comment which of these foods are your favorite.